Join me as I dive into the leaked features of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro and see if I can guess which ones are real and which ones are just rumors. The DJI Mavic 4 is arguably the most highly anticipated drone release of the year, and for good reason. It's poised to revolutionize the world of drone technology. As drone enthusiasts, we're always on the lookout for the latest and greatest innovations that can take our aerial photography and videography to the next level. And with the Mavic 4, it seems like DJI is about to push the boundaries of what's possible. Drone technology is evolving at an incredible pace, and it can be tough to keep up with all the latest developments. New features and innovations are being announced left and right, and it's easy to get lost in the noise. As drone enthusiasts, we're constantly scouring the internet for the latest rumors and leaks, trying to stay one step ahead of the curve. But with so much misinformation out there, it can be hard to separate fact from fiction. And that's what makes the anticipation surrounding the Mavic 4 so palpable. We're all dying to know what DJI has in store for us. The drone market is more competitive than ever, with new manufacturers entering the fray every year. And with that competition comes a constant stream of new features and innovations, each one trying to outdo the last. It's enough to make your head spin, and it can be overwhelming to try to keep up with it all. But that's what makes the Mavic 4 so exciting. It has the potential to be a game changer, to set a new standard for drone technology as a whole. But despite the excitement, there's also a sense of uncertainty. Will the Mavic 4 live up to the hype, or will it fall flat? Will DJI deliver on its promise to revolutionize the drone industry, or will it play it safe and stick with what we already know and love? The only way to find out is to dive in and see what the leaked features are telling us. According to the latest leaks, the Mavic 4 is set to boast some seriously impressive specs. We're talking about improved obstacle avoidance, enhanced 360-degree shooting capabilities, and even the possibility of a new, more advanced autopilot system. And let's not forget about the rumors of a brand new camera system, capable of capturing stunning 8K video and 48-megapixel stills. But the question is, which of these features are real, and which ones are just rumors? One of the most exciting leaked features is the potential for a new, more advanced tracking system. Rumor has it that the Mavic 4 will be able to track subjects at incredible speeds, making it perfect for capturing high-octane action sequences. And with its advanced obstacle avoidance system, you'll be able to fly with confidence, knowing that your drone is capable of avoiding collisions even at breakneck speeds. But perhaps the most game-changing feature of all is the rumored smart flight mode. According to the leaks, this mode will allow the Mavic 4 to essentially fly itself, using advanced AI to navigate even the most complex environments with ease. It's a feature that could completely redefine the drone experience, making it more accessible to beginners and more enjoyable for seasoned pros alike. And then there's the rumored hyperlapse feature, which could allow users to create stunning, high-speed time-lapses with ease. It's a feature that could open up a whole new world of creative possibilities, and it's got me seriously excited. So what does it all mean? The leaked features of the Mavic 4 point to a drone that's truly revolutionary, one that could change the game for drone enthusiasts everywhere. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the Mavic 4 has the potential to take your aerial photography and videography to new heights. So, what are your thoughts on the leaked features of the Mavic 4? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my previous drone-related videos for more insights and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.